Ensure the temporary support as per the mine standard is installed before resin bolt installation begins. Check the expiring date. Verify the size and set time of resin capsules. Take note of the safety procedures. Use relevant PPE. Resin bolt installation. Check that the correct drill bit size is used, and the hole is drilled to the correct depth. Insert the fast capsule first. Check that you wait for the correct setting time. Followed by the yellow capsule. Push the bolt into the hole until the plate is plus minus 30 centimeters below the hanging wall. Start the machine and spin for the recommended time. Tighten the nut until the shear pin breaks and the bolt is tensioned.